Hello, welcome to another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. To choose a different question, you can always click on the information card here. That'll take you to the playlist. If you can do the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. So the question is, what is the approximate average kinetic energy of a cyclist in a race? And we've got 4 options here. And you can see the difference between each one is 1,000 times different. Joules, kilojoules, megajoules, terajoules. So we really want to do this question as quickly as possible and find the approximate value. So I'm going to take real approximate values here. I'm going to say that the velocity is 10 meters per second. And that the mass is 100 kilograms. And then if I think about my equation for kinetic energy, half times the mass times the velocity squared, I'm going to make it so approximate, I'm going to forget about that half value. And I'm just going to multiply my mass by my velocity squared, and that comes out as 10,000 joules. Now, you might say, well, I think cyclists maybe travel at 15 meters per second on average or 8 meters per second on average. It won't make any difference when we're just dealing with orders of magnitude that differ by 1,000. You might say that the mass of a cyclist, oh, they're very, very lean, they maybe only have a mass of 50 kilograms, or they're big and strong and they're 120 kilograms. Again, dealing with these vastly different numbers, it's still going to come out at about 10,000 joules. So if it's an approximate, look how accurately you need to approximate and try and save time. Okay, if you found this video useful, click on that subscribe button please, share with friends, watch more in the series. Thank you for watching.